Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with our video. So in this video, we're gonna continue with the start of finish series. Or actually, we're gonna finish it. So in today's episode, we're gonna focus on mastering. We're gonna master it in like 10 minutes. So let's straight dive into it. What we got so far sounds like this. So let's dive into mastering. So we're gonna select the loudest part of the track. That's the second part of the drop, with all the drums. I do think the drums are a little bit too loud right now, so just lower down the drum bass a few dBs. So now let's dive into the first effect. We're gonna add some soft clipping, just to catch the peaks. Nothing too crazy, just to make the limiting process a little bit easier. Then we're gonna EQ it. So cut off everything under 20 Hz. Because you basically can't hear that. Then I'm gonna boost the lows because it's lacking a little bit. So just give it a dB or something. Just like this. Then we're gonna focus on the stereo imaging. So first we're gonna make a sub mono. As you can see, it's quite thin with a factor scope, so we need to open it up. Just something like this. So without, it just makes it a bit more wider. So then we're gonna add some multi-band compression. I always use Maximus for that, so basically what we're gonna do is coloring the bands and limiting the own bands to achieve a higher overall loudness. So let's start off with the low band. Solo width. Drag the post gain just a little bit back. And push the pre-gain until it's clipping. Just around here. Then do the same for the mid bands. And for the high end. So before and after. So now we're gonna add the exciter. Again, just to thicken up the low end some more. The low and mid end. Just some warm tube. Just a real small amount. Same for the low end. So just remove the limiter for now. So without it sounds like this. And with it sounds like this. So the last thing we're gonna add is the limiter. Just like this. I think that's the sweet spot because otherwise it will clip. So let's check the RMS, the overall loudness of the track. I usually use 0.8 for that. For now it's at -3, so limiting could be a little bit less because I think that's too loud. So normally I would aim for around -6 dBs. This still is a little bit loud for now, so just let's keep it at 1.3. Just like this. So let's quickly check the drop. without mastering or with it. So without, it sounded this. And with the master, it sounded this. CPU is lacking a little bit, but I guess you can clearly hear the difference. So the mastered part sounds louder, wider, a bit more fake on the low end. And that's it for the master. So let's check the final result of start to finish right now. Besides that, if you like the series, please leave a like to see more, hit the subscribe button, and leave your suggestions for the next series in the comments.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them, yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm